tomorrow, January 17, 2007, which will be tomorrow. And these have been here for a very long time. One was built like in the 70s, I believe, right, Olivia?
Yeah.
I think one was built like in the 70s.
What, 1970 to 1990 something. So
there's ladder there on the side, huh?
mm-hmm. Well,
This used to be full of company buildings. They're all gone. This used to be the smelter, and they've already gotten rid of all the tailing ponds that were down here. What's there now is land. They work on them every day to flatten them, and you can see the land right where it used to be the tailing ponds right there. All that yellow or white stuff. Okay, and I'm filming from across the street. There's the trailer court in San Manuel. This is the way out of town, that way. And there's a business there, Jackson Trucking. The high school is up there somewhere. Yeah, the high school is right there somewhere. I can't tell because right there. We're going down the highway right now, going towards the junction. This is our fire department here that we have. And smokestacks are right there. I'm going to send my brother Louis this.
oh.
Okay, got another close-up.
Okay, I'll put
This
my
is
fingers so somebody goes by.
the smelter. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yep. There's
Put
a
it there.
town in there.
Let's put it there.
Can't really see it right now.
Right now.
This is where the train station used to be. This is the parking lot. But it used to be right there, and it's gone.
Just take pictures.
Just keep going. Okay. These have been here since about 1955 or so. One since 1970. Which one was the one they built second? The one on this side?
Yeah.
Is that the one with the ladder going up there?
Yeah, these have a little elevator.
Is that an elevator or ladder?
No, it used to have an elevator.
What did they do to it?
I guess they took it off. But they used to, you could either climb up that way or go and get on a little riggy. I hated the little elevator.
Oh. Yeah, these guys are still doing a lot of work here in town, the companies, all the big trucks. Louis, this tape is supposed to be for Louis and my dad, my mom. That's the old Bud station there. What's gas? $2.29, $2.15 uptown and $2.19 down here. Okay, go ahead, Olivia.
Okay, let's put on.
Here's where the bridge used to be. We're going out of town, and so I want my brother to see the old trailer court. I don't know what they're building here, but they're building something. We're getting close to the old where the old what's it called, movie place, the theater used to be with the big screen outdoors.
Oh, the drive-in.
Yeah, the drive-in used to be here. This is the golf course here. There's a golf course. That's where the old theater used to be. Huh. I don't know. Okay, this is the first hill as you're going down out of San Manuel. Now we're going up the hill. There's the junction at the top of the road over there. That's where the mine used to be, where those red rocks are up in the hills over there. I don't know if I can see them. Now we can't see them.
The company here. Go ahead, because I don't want to be recorded.
Okay. Here's the underneath the junction. Here's where I turn to Oracle. I could. That used to be where you used to go to the mine. That's where they used to work. There's nothing there anymore.
Flooded the mines, they say.
Yeah, they flooded them. I'm going up the hills towards Oracle now, and you'll be able to see the smelter from here. In a while, I'll have to park on the left side of the road and look towards my left, and that's where San Manuel is. Okay, that's the way to Oracle. I pull over to the side of the road, and I'm going to be filming
There's a cop car.
the mountains. This is the hills behind San Manuel. Beautiful. We know where San Manuel is because of the smokestacks. See? Right there. The smokestacks indicate and tell us exactly where San Manuel is. You can see them from Mount Lemon. And San Manuel is about, something right there. It's so pretty here, the mountains, you know that?
Yeah, they are.
There's the mountains. Now I've turned back around. I'm going to San Manuel. The smokestacks are now towards my left. You can't see them right now. Anyway, I'm going back down. Okay, that's where the mine used to be. Not there anymore. It's right there where all the open pit, the underground, everything used to be there. Yeah, we had one, huh? We'd try to go there too.
Yeah.
Okay, you go straight down towards Mammoth, like that little truck over there. Or you could turn right into San Manuel. You can't go left because that's too underground and it's not there no more, and that's a one-way anyway.
And they don't have to go in.
No. Down there's towards Mammoth, and here we're going to San Manuel. Okay, the smokestacks are in there. That's where San Manuel is. I'm at the junction right now, parked by the stop sign. Okay, I just turned right, so I'll be headed down that road. Okay, now we're going towards San Manuel. I can barely see the smokestacks to my left, but I'm not filming them. Still headed into town here. This is the big dip, the first one that coming out of San Manuel. It's the first big dip. There's a smelter way over there. You can't see them over the hill. Barely see them. Okay. Yeah, the airport is over towards my left, and the golf club is over here. Golf course. This is the golf course. I just turned in off the highway to the right, and this is the golf course. Okay, now there's the highway where I was coming, and I'm going that direction. And the smokestacks are, tomorrow I'm knocking them down.
That's why they're still giving me retirement.
Yeah, there's the smokestacks. There's San Manuel. The airport, before you enter San Manuel, you can't really see it. There's the tailing pond. It used to be a tailing pond. I don't know what they call it now.
Fired.
Okay. We're entering San Manuel again. Not yet, but we're going in that direction.
You're doing it.
Okay,
Yet.
yeah. Trailer court here. They're putting pipe in.
And nobody stopped me.
Okay, this is
Right here.
almost in Seminole. I'm gonna turn left and go tape the smokestacks that are underneath where the bridge used to be. I don't know, train tracks used to be here. Now there's a plastic company back there.
But look at the stacks. Now you can really get them, mira.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yes? We won't be able to go no further because I don't know if there's a guard over there or not. We can turn around.
Okay. Well, that's good right there.
Okay.
That's the plastic company that they put up. I hadn't been down here. They manufacture paper plates and cups and things like that. And now I'm headed towards the airport. There's a tailing pond that I wanted to film. I guess it's just plain flattened out land now. I think they can build homes on them.
I thought it was down.
The tailing ponds? No, it's all that,
No, I
that
thought it was down
land
there.
there. And the airport's down that way. What was it? Okay. The train track. Okay.
You can saw that picture.
There's the smokestacks and I'm not sure what
The
all the
power
electric
plant. That's
power
from the
plant.
power plant.
Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
Power plant, huh?
Uh-huh.
Was there more there or did they leave it all?
So far as I can see, it's still there.
It's still there?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, there's the plant. The plant used to be down there. Used to be tons of buildings down there. And no more. I'm going
The
to,
tailings dam was really good.
okay, now I'm going back to the highway. I'll be turning left back into town. Okay, welcome to San Manuel. Okay, no parking, no dumping.
Good thing we don't have to dump.
Yeah, okay. Okay, the smelter's right there to my left. Station right here.
Actually, it's the Pinal County Administration.
Okay.
That's where you get your driver's
Here's the
license.
gas station when you first come into town. Here's the gas station right here, Chevron. Let's park. Okay, this is the Chevron. I'm parked in here. I just came from that direction, and I'm gonna film the smokestacks from right here from the gas station.
This is a good spot.
Okay. This is where you used to go underneath the bridge, the first entrance coming from San Manuel. But all the buildings are gone here. There they are. A beautiful landmark, and they're going to take it away from us.
See, this first one is the one that had, and right there where that, you see that
Ladder? Black thing?
like a ladder.
We're going to leave back up the hill. There's the gas station. Used to be Bud's 77 Union or something like that. Okay. Now we're going into town. This is the hospital where I was born. Think I hatched out of an egg?
I had my doubts. I wasn't too sure.
Okay, this is 6th and McNabb at the dip. And those are my homes right there, those two. The one here at the corner, you can barely see it.
Those are yours?
That one and that one over there. Okay, this is Jimmy's yard. Let's see if he's out here somewhere. You usually can find him out here washing his car. This is his neighborhood.
Oh, that's one of the kids.
Hey!
Oh, no, it's...
There's Monse. ¿Qué? Monse? Coming? Why is she all dressed up? ¿Qué querías?
No shit.
I bet you want some money.
Anda en el baño, salió del baño.
Okay, we're still at Jimmy's house, parked in the street, and this is the view he's got from his house. I'm still going down.
So who are you going to give a perm to? Okay,
Okay, this is Jimmy's house is in back of me right now, so I went down a little bit further to B Avenue and 6th, and this is the view we get of the smokestacks from here. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Keep it on ourselves.
That was fast.
Gosh.
10 seconds, huh?
No. Okay. Oh yes. Come on. Jeepers. Like,
I got the chills.
like your war house.
I don't know. Yeah, it felt
Okay, I guess I'll take a couple more pictures. This is like my birthmark.
Here comes the smoke. We better get out of here.
oh my gosh.
Silica coming this way.
Yeah, we better. That's true. Okay, Charlotte, you're part of this event here. Okay.
They knew what they were doing, I guess. That's sad. You just watch them just go like that. Real slow.
Look at that, people on top of the roof where they have to go to the hospital.
All the guys in the police department are going to get smoked out.
All those people up there.
They fell, look. Everybody's going to be all. Okay, get all the cars in and start racing.
Look at all the smoke, man. Dr. Brower better run.
Huh?
Dr. Brower better run.
I know.
I missed the beginning. I pressed the wrong button. I got the
Look at that. Big old smoke. Everybody should start hunting, look up people on the inside. Wow. They're gone. Where were they at before? Now I don't even remember. Yeah. It's too bad. Was that the ambulance? Yeah. Look at all the traffic. Oh, and a lot of traffic here.
Just telling me to go. She had stop sign.
There's Jimmy's house right there, and they're not there, so I don't.
Well, it's over.
Louis, those are my houses over there.
You want me to go towards the traffic, babe?
Yeah. Look at all this traffic coming back to town.
Parade. There's a parade today.
Parade. The smokestacks are gone. We're gonna go film them. This is a major event in Seminole.
All the old people are probably.
Sad. I went into
The car and her friends, Michelle, and who else is with them?
Amanda and Nikki.
Amanda and Nikki.
I jumped the curb.
We did a bad thing here.
Yep. A lot of traffic here. All the traffic. I wish I could film more of it down by the highway. But tons of people in town today. This was a major event. What are we? January 17th, 2007. Smokestacks just were blown up. Many tears were shed, especially Charlotte's. Opinion, Charlotte.
I have chills.
You have chills?
Yeah. Up and down my back.
Do any other symptoms accompany those symptoms? Diarrhea or anything? No.
Sadness.
Sadness? Depression?
Yes.
Traffic way down there. Way up front.
here.
Yeah. Oh my God. Huh? Oh, Mrs. Garcia. Ledger. Oh no, we're not.
Like, no.
Yeah, did you
Oh,
see how
so
they must
sad.
So I just.
sad?
There's
No.
a Geary.
I got chills. I got chills on my back. We were coming down here to go check it out, and we got caught in traffic. Yeah.
Yeah, that might be Cesar right there. Let me see. That might be Cesar. I don't know.
I don't think his Jeep's that dirty, but it could be.
See him?
La casita when I was coming,
All the motorcycles?
they were all parked eating when I came.
There's a lot of motorcycles.
So there was a
here.
whole bunch of them over there.
Well, we're still stuck in traffic on McNabb.
I don't know. I
This
think
is
I'm
in the
gonna-
direction
I
of
think
leaving
I'm-
town.
Think you're gonna
I
The
think I'm gonna make a U
gas
here,
station's
man.
down there. The first one when you enter town, it's right there. Oh, well, we better get out of here.
At least we thought we could get out through here.
Look at everybody up here watching. This is Jimmy Street, Avenue B. We're going up. A lot of
Thinning out.
still. Okay, we're almost at the stop sign where Jimmy lives. There's Jimmy's house.
Now can we go back up that way? No.
No? Okay.
It looks like what's your name's car?
Uptown to towards Gordon's. There's not that much traffic up here.
Oh, Barry was packed today.
This is Dicus. And this is the high school. I'm trying to film it for Louis.
I'll bet you everybody's at the house.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
wow,
yeah,
look
it's
at-
gonna get
People
packed.
miss Mel's when they go.
It's gonna get packed. The restaurants are because
Yeah, there's Mel's
nothing else
driving.
happening. What's that? All kinds of people at Mel's.
Good for business.
Heck yeah.
We have a Family Dollar.
You okay? I already gave
There's our swimming pool. Tennis courts. And the Assembly of God Church.
outside. No, look at that. It's naked over there now.
Now we're going towards out of San Manuel. And the smokestacks used to be right there, and now they're gone.
Tell where they were. Well,
I want to see the pile of.
Okay. No. These are where the tailing ponds used to be.
There's some cars letting everybody in. Sorry, but I'm gonna let you in.
Oh my God, we're cruising around on empty. We are. Oh my God. There's a gas station right ahead. Anyway, Charlotte can push, right? She can push.
I think I should just throw.
What? That's pretty awesome. Sad. What? Uh-huh.
You
Oh,
can't really tell because
man.
they were so low and they're like in a little dune. They were just gonna bury him, but then somebody else told me that they were gonna.
There's an administration building.
Well, that's where all the big shots were in there talking about it, babe.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Command post.
yeah.
We're still on the highway. The smokestacks used to be right there somewhere. I don't even know where anymore. A lot of people were parked in the parking lot there. There's Jessica, Amanda. I can't see them very good, but they're all wave to them so they wave. Hurry, wave, you guys. There they are. ¿Qué animada? Yep.
At least we have a memories of how.
It snowed last night, and neighborhood's all full of snow. Sarah's house is full of snow. Starting to melt now. It was really white this morning, but it's.
Or you could select some old cheese trays. They work just as well. You can pick these up very inexpensively at thrift stores and such. You're also going to need some items that are typically found underwater.
It looks like it snowed up here in the desert. Snow all over my junk, my trees. Snow all over my old truck here. All over Sarah's vehicles and Jimmy. One of these days I'll have time to fix my old Jeep there.
Copper complex in San Manuel in less than an hour, 1 o'clock this afternoon. The 500-foot tall stacks will be loaded with 337 pounds of explosives with a 1,000-foot blast zone around each of the stacks. When at full production, the magma copper crews were taking out more than 38 tons of ore every minute. Agents in Casa Grande
says there's no reopening it now. The plant that refined the copper is dismantled, so workers wired the stacks with precisely placed explosives and set them off.
And Mr. Tafoya says the company did right by the companies laid off during that shutdown. He says they took every one of them and paid for their training in new careers. He says his son, who was working for the plant at the time, is very happy in his new career as a medical technician.
Craig, what's next for that piece of land?
Well, a couple of things they have in mind. The company believes this would be a fine industrial site for new companies, and they're hoping to bring some of them in here. And also, San Manuel has been evolving into a good place for people to retire, and also a sort of bedroom community for people who want to live in a friendly small-town atmosphere and then move to Tucson for their daily work.
That was such a fascinating sight.
Sure was. Check this out. A faithful KGN 9 viewer got this amazing view of those stacks coming down. Look to the center and then just left of your screen and listen.
Yeah, they're done.
They're done. Ron Lorman watched the demo from Mount Lemon and had his home video camera rolling. Thanks, Ron. Now an honorary KGN 9 on your side photographer.